What's up guys? Everything Apple Pro here, and it's a glorious day. It's a launch day. Today, the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max have been released. We got quite a few here. We're gonna be doing a giveaway today, and of course, a durability drop test as tradition entails. I'm curious to see, will the heavier 12 Pro Max be any less resilient than the 12 and 12 Pro, and will the lighter 12 mini do any better? Been waiting for this moment for quite some time. The massive iPhone 12 Pro Max. By the way, love how they made the box smaller, tailored to the 12 mini. And let's pop out, the white one first. Okay. Oh, okay. And there are these. So again, same thickness, but a lot more surface area here on the 12 Pro Max. Those camera lenses, they are larger. That is a beastly camera lens, and a very tiny one on the 12 mini. I cannot believe how much they crammed into this little frame. Of course, Pacific Blue. I actually like this one a lot more than Midnight Green. Stands out more. Beautiful color. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is 2 grams heavier than the 11 Pro Max at 228 grams. I'm wondering, as Apple's heaviest iPhone, will it be any less durable? Of course, it's more unwieldy, it's harder to hold. And here are these. So the 12 Pro Max in its array. Never seen the silver or graphite yet, but look very similar to what we've seen before. And the camera lens, that is massive. So compared to the iPhone 11 Pro series, they do jut out far more. That is a point of concern. If you drop your phone on the rear, we'll see how durable the glass is there. It's severely more pronounced. So goes Steve Jobs' vision of reaching the entire screen with your finger on the 12 Pro Max. But I love this, such a cute little phone. And lastly, I'd like to mention, we are doing a giveaway. So one iPhone 12 Pro Max, one iPhone 12 mini. And to enter, just follow Phone Rebel on Instagram. The link will be down below. Last giveaway winners in the description. Also, we are still doing 15% off of our Gen 1 cases, as we're moving into Gen 2 right now. We're entering production, and we should have them out by Christmas. Super excited. The most durable, most beautiful, and best value case in its segment. I'm serious, you guys will love the quality. Let's get to breaking these, or maybe even not. And in the last video, we didn't test the bend strength of the frame. We'll do that at the end. So I'll select the white and the gold as my victims. So a massive size difference between them. We got an aluminum border here on the 12 mini and surgical grade stainless steel here on the 12 Pro Max. Ceramic shield on the front, which is 4 times stronger than the previous glass, and dual ion glass on the rear. I think both will still do really good, just like the 12 and 12 Pro held up. Innocent drop you encounter on the daily. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. It makes an entirely different sound when it hits the ground. Nothing to report. Oh, so again, just like on the 12 and 12 Pro, we have scuffing and denting in the aluminum here, just from a waist height fall. On such a light phone too, it's surprising. Apple does say the flat edges do help with durability as they protect the screen. It doesn't kind of wrap into the body like on the 11 Pro and older. And on the rear, dual ion glass in 3, 2, 1. Survived. And 3, 2, 1. The momentum this thing builds before it hits the ground. Still good on both. You can see that it did scuff up over here. Now the border on the gold version of the 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max has an extra magnetic coating that makes it more durable and resilient against scratches. And face down, waist height. 3, 2, 1. Nice smack. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Very good. Both have survived waist height drops. Let's continue to head height. And once you go higher, dynamics do change. Internal components may get damaged even though the screen survives. Like last time on the 12 Pro, we got some dead pixels. On the 12, a busted camera. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that. Okay, head height, 12 mini in 3, 2, 1. Nice edge drop. And 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that is violent. I'm telling you, the extra mass from the 12 Pro Max makes a huge difference. Now, front screens have survived, rear survived. Definitely some scratching of the coating It's coming off here, but overall holding up fantastically. Head height, 12 mini in 3, 2, 1. Whew. And a 12 Pro Max, 3, 2, 1. Maximum drop. Oh, head height did it in. So again, this is dual ion glass. This is not the crystal array that Apple has on the front. Apparently it might not even be possible with that matte back. Oh, same thing on the 12 mini. So clearly the limits have been reached here. Dual ion glass, and it's a fairly texturized ground. So you got a lot sticking up. Camera lenses still intact. We'll keep dropping it just to see what happens. And cameras still working, all of them. Very good. Not doing so hot so far. The dual ion glass has broken. Let's go ahead and test out that front facing and witness what the iPhone sees before shattering. Hopefully not. In 3, 2, 1. That was on the side. In 3, 2, 1. 1. Wow. The amount of energy that returns. 3, 2, 1. Nice flat smack. 1. Oh, so this one is not broken and this one isn't broken. Wow. So again and again, ceramic shield confirms itself to be as durable as marketed. Fully usable, and as far as I know, the cameras were working. That's amazing. So ceramic shield is the real deal. And business as usual at the 10-foot mark. Both backs broken. Starting with the 12 mini side drop in 3, 2, 1. Right on the back again. And 12 Pro Max in 3, 2, 1. Nice side shot. The 12 mini has shut off and is rebooting. Slightly bent, ever so slightly. 12 Pro Max though, wow. Okay, this is nuts. Look at this frame. So the actual steel band has completely warped. There's a massive gap in here and the glass still didn't break. The OLED underneath, as you can see, does have some dead pixels here, but the glass did not break. So the already wide 12 Pro Max is now even wider with this little extension bit here, and the screen still goes uncracked. This is a major win in my book. Yeah, the 12 mini is definitely bent. And one more test on the back to test the camera glass lens. I'll drop these at the same time in 3, 2, 1. 1. What do we got? The recording has not stopped, but the glass is now unresponsive. 12 mini is off again. Must be a safety measure. As you can see, it is warped. I'm surprised for such a small frame that it actually bends. Again, the glass still unbroken. On the 12 Pro Max, yeah, no such luck. Warped, damaged, the glass is jutting out. Oh, just popped it back in actually, but still unbroken. And camera lenses, all good. Yes, ceramic shield continues to impress me. And we have one final test here. I cannot believe how much damage the 12 Pro Max has sustained. Still a trooper. Final test, face down, iPhone 12 mini, ceramic shield in 3, 2, 1. That's gotta be broken. And the platter, 3, 2, 1. Nice and good smack. So the 12 Pro Max, the screen was jutting out. If it breaks, no biggie. Oh my gosh, how? How is this not broken? Wild. The actual OLED panel is separating, but the glass still did not break. Did not break on the 12 mini. And a little bonus for you, I want to perform a bend test. See how easily malleable the aluminum frame is compared to the surgical grade stainless steel. This one is already slightly bent during the drops. Let's try bending it the other way here. 3, 2, 1. So bending it against unbroken glass, definitely harder. So yeah, it's a little warped, but not as easy as you would think to bend it. So got a little bit out of it. Yeah. I don't think there's a bending issue here. So if the aluminum doesn't bend, I can imagine this one wouldn't either. Wow, that is strong. So it does bend, but it retains its original shape when it snaps back. Yeah, wow. Okay, Apple, I see you. Bending will never be another problem on an iPhone. Now the iPads are a whole nother story. It retains its original shape. Once again, blown away by the performance of the durability ceramic shield on Apple's new iPhones. I want this glass everywhere. Now, although the glass is more durable, it doesn't guarantee that the internals will not get damaged with a drop. Of course, you still want to protect the aesthetics and whatnot, so I would still recommend using a case. We're still doing a 15% off promo on our Gen 1 cases. We're doing a giveaway of a 12 Pro Max and a 12 Mini. Instructions down below. And we're planning on Gen 2 cases to be released by holiday of this year. Stay tuned for that. So excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Great job, Apple. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.